Hey y'all, today I'm making a turkey cheese ball, and with the holiday season approaching, this is the perfect appetizer for your party or family gathering. Let's get started. Just a few ingredients, and they are cream cheese, sharp cheddar cheese spread, bacon pieces, dried minced onion, Worcestershire sauce, pecan pieces, pretzel sticks, beef sticks, candy corns, and candy eyes. To get started, you're going to mix together your cream cheese, your cheese spread, your dried minced onions, and your Worcestershire sauce. Then you're going to fold in your bacon pieces. Now let's transfer our cheese mixture onto a serving platter and smooth it into a ball. Cover and freeze for 20 minutes. Take your pecan pieces and cover the entire ball. So now we have the body or the base of our turkey. Now let's add the eyes and the nose. Use the reserved cream cheese to stick the candy eyes and the candy corn for the nose to your beef jerky. All right, let's ruffle some feathers with our pretzel sticks and let's place them on the opposite end of the ball. I've already said perfect, but I left out savory and delicious. Serve this with crackers or with sliced veggies. Just make sure you have enough on hand because this will be a hit. Thank you guys for joining me today, and I will see you next time on Fresh Dish Foodie.